So the standard asphalt shingle lasts between 15 to 30 years. Then you have your metal roof, which is about 40 to 70 years. We also have your clay and your concrete tiles, which is around 50 to 100 years. You got your wood shingles, which is 20 to 40 years. And my favorite, which is the slate, they literally last you forever. You're talking about 75 to 150 years. So if you want your roof to literally live its longevity, make sure you're getting those roof inspections regularly. These are the key signs it's time for a new roof. 1, cracked, curled, or any missing shingles, get that checked out. Leaks or any water stains on your ceiling, get that checked out. Guys, sagging, roof deck, not only that, the mold and all the hazard that comes into play, get that checked out. Granules missing. If you can see silver from the ground, your roof is a goner. It is time. Another thing, if you're in your attic and you're literally seeing the sunlight coming through your attic, that's another sign. Get it checked out. Or if your roof is about, let's say around the 20-year mark, it is time to get it replaced. If not, let us check it out so we can tell you exactly how long of a lifespan you have left. But before mold comes into play and interior, remodeling comes into play, let us get it checked out. Just because you have a leak on your roof doesn't necessarily mean that you need a whole roof replacement. It also depends on the extent of the damage. So say if it's something minor like a missing shingle or like missing ribs, then yeah, we can get it repaired, no problem. But I will say if your roof is old, deteriorating, rotting, over 20 years, absolutely my recommendation will be let's get that replaced. Here's what you need to know about installing a new roof over an old one called a roof overlay. Number one, it can only be done once, and most building codes, especially here in Texas, you cannot overlay another roofing structure. 2, it hides damage. How do you know that under those other shingles, 5 sheets of decking aren't rotted? So you're literally re-roofing over damage and you're hiding it. Another thing is the weight. How do you know that those rafters are built to withstand all that weight? And another one that really gets me is the lifespan of that shingle. Yes, you're installing a 30-year product, but once you add it on top of a shingle, you're going to reduce that lifespan to about 10 years. So it's cheaper, it's quicker, but it's not always the best solution. Here at Roof Republic, we do a complete tear off. So that means we tear down straight to your decking. Anything rotted, molding, buckling, anything unnailable surface, we're going to go ahead and remove and put brand new decking on top of it. So if you're considering a roof overlay, here's my professional advice, don't do it.
Hello, everyone. My name is Corey Williams with Roof Republic. I am the Senior Project Manager for Roof Republic. So the best roofing material is Owens Corning. And the reason that we are certified preferred contractors with Owens Corning is because it's American made. Owens Corning invented the fiberglass, which actually helps out all of our military. And it is one of the strongest shingles in America. GAF gets all their shipment from Germany. ICO gets their shipment from Canada. That's the reason that we believe in Owens Corning. It also has that SureNail strip, which is patented. It's the only manufacturing shingle that has a patent strip, which is 2 inches wide, and it has 200% wider chance for us to hit our nails on the head.
Guys, choosing shingle color and style is such a big decision. That is why we have Design IQ on our website.
And so Owens Corning, we have a wide selection of colors. We have different styles. We have different colors. We have over 23 different colors. Not only do we just have the colors, but we have the warranties and the wind resistance just to back up everything that we do.
So go ahead and go to roofrepublicinc.com, go to our Design IQ tab, and all you have to do is snap a picture of your house. Go ahead and upload it into Design IQ. It's going to pull out all the shingles, all the colors. So instead of guessing what the shingle color is going to look like on your roof, you're able to visualize it on the Design IQ. So you know which one goes with your brick, your landscaping, and just make things fun.
The factors that affect the price could be the pitch. It could be the size of the roof. It could be if you want metal. It could be if you want asphalt. It could be if you want gutters on your roof. There's a whole way of understanding what the price of your roof would be. There's no one way to tell, but what we do is we actually pull satellite imagery so we can get the actual measurement of your roof and let you know exactly what you need for the price that you want.
Guys, in Texas, it is not required by the state to have a Texas licensing. So that places so much responsibility on the homeowners to thoroughly vet their contractors. So when you do, go ahead and check their ARCAT certification. So just go ahead and visit the ARCAT website, make sure they're certified, request for proof of insurance. And just because they send you that proof of insurance doesn't mean they have it. Go ahead and verify the insurance coverage. So call in, obtain multiple written estimates from multiple companies, and also do your research, vet their website, vet their reviews, get on Yelp, get on Facebook, do your research and know which company you're actually hiring. Because again, this is a big old construction site. It's a roof replacement. You want somebody that's worthy, somebody that has the insurance, somebody that is licensed, and somebody that doesn't just do labor. Here at Roof Republic, we don't do labor and material. You guys buy our craftsmanship and our knowledge. We build amazing roofs. So if you're one of those people that want a badass roof that's going to last you the whole actual lifespan, give us a call.